How to manage rates on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage rates on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and now click this one here on your profile. Just click on it and then you will see this one here, account settings. Click on it and then click this one, stream manager. And now all you need to do is just find this one here, rates, and click to turn it off if you don't want it, and if you want it just click on it, and as you see rates has been turned on. And that's how many rates on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.